Hi everyone, so today I want to share with you a really cool brainstorming tool that you can use alongside your Claude desktop app. Using this tool, you can inject this prompt into your AI and you can brainstorm any idea you have, whether that's an upcoming birthday party you're trying to plan, a product launch or a book launch, or a business idea. When you come here, it's literally 3 steps. You can pick from the brainstorming techniques below, and there's over 50. Hit copy prompt and then paste it into your Claude Code. So you pick your techniques, you copy the prompt, and you paste it into Claude Code, and it goes to work. That's how simple it is. Now let me show you how this brainstorming tool works. So step 1, you can choose how you want to brainstorm. You can either do all the brainstorming yourself and just have the AI act as a facilitator, or you can click on creative partner here and have the AI act as a brainstorm partner, or, and this is my favorite, you can choose ideate for me, and this will create the ideas for you around the topic that you give. Structured brainstorming techniques that are built to facilitate really interesting ideas. So the common one that you might know, again, is the yes and brainstorming technique. So yes and, it's called yes and building. Never negate. Each person opens with yes and adds to the last idea, stacking a chain of accepted additions. So if you select this as one of the brainstorming techniques, and then you do copy prompt and paste it into Claude Code, and then your topic idea, Claude Code will use this technique to build some ideas for you. So let's just click on that one. The other one I really like is the 5 whys. So ask why 5 times in a chain, each answer feeding into the next until you hit the root cause benefit beneath the symptom. So that's an interesting one. I also like the worst possible idea technique. And what AI will do is it will deliberately generate the worst possible solutions it can around your topic, but then it will flip it into what it teaches you to do that is correct, that is a good idea. So that's a neat one. So you can go along in my website and just choose different techniques that you think that are useful toward what you're trying to brainstorm about. And on the left here, they are categorized. So there's certain techniques that are great for building a new feature, or if you have a novel new concept, or for strategy, or for planning, or for diagnosis. If you click on any one of these, it will jump to the techniques that are in that category. And actually, sorry, it will filter out those ones, okay? Now what you can do is you can also get it to choose random techniques. So you should choose about 4 or 5. Anything more, it just gets to be too much. So then in this tool up here, you can also click on show selected, and it shows the selected ones that we have that we're gonna give to AI. So the next step is I press copy prompt. Now you can load up the Claude desktop app right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to new session and you're going to click on the code tab up here. Finally, you might want to select to do this in a specific folder on your computer. So let's just go to open folder, and I'll create a new folder and I'll go sample brainstorm. That folder, select it, press select folder. Now I'm going to paste this prompt in, press enter. And first, see if you have the brainstorming module installed into your, and you might not. In that case, it will install the brainstorming code, and then it's going to ask you, well, what's your topic about? It might ask you a few other questions. You're going to press enter and answer its questions and complete the brainstorming. After it's done, it's going to create for you a beautiful HTML output of all the ideas it generated for you. So let's look at some of the past generations I've done. For that, I'm going to go to my blog. And if you go to this one, the AI brainstorming tool you'll use for everything, 108 techniques inside of Claude Code. You can read this article and it tells you everything about how the brainstorming tool works. And if you scroll down, here's a brainstorm I did for my upcoming parents' 60th anniversary. So it used 6 different brainstorming techniques. It generated 72 ideas and it came up with 4 insights. So it used the worst possible idea technique. So here's one of the worst ideas. Invite everyone, people they haven't spoken to in decades, distant acquaintances, anyone you feel obligated to include. Just fill the room. Well, obviously that's a terrible idea. So let's flip it. So I click on this, it flips. Okay, here's the best idea. A smaller guest list of people they genuinely love. Means every person in the room has earned their seat. 20 people who truly belong there will create more warmth than 100 who are simply present. Okay, that's a pretty obvious idea. If we keep on going, there's a lot of other worst ideas. Here we go. Give a toast that opens with, I've known them for 60 years, and then lists every achievement and milestone in order. Okay, come on, that's a bad idea. How about the flip? Tell the one specific, smallest, most human story, the one only you witnessed that nobody else in the room knows. A single concrete moment is worth more than a lifetime of achievements and listening. Okay, so that was one idea where I used the brainstorming tool. The other brainstorming I did was for the Unhustle book launch, which was done for one of my clients, Milena, who is launching her unhustle.com book that's coming out in 90 days. So I gave her just a sample of what this brainstorming technique could do. And it came up with a bunch of different ideas for her to get some buzz around her book launch. And for those that want to read more about her book launch, if you go to my portfolio, right here. Book launch is written in, there you go, the book. There you go. There's some more information there, and it even has a few pages of the foreword. So I encourage you to check that out. So that's the brainstorming tool. So I encourage you to come to my website, go to the Brainstorm tab, and give it a try. Thanks for watching. This is Paul, signing out.